Hi everybody, Brian here. We're going to do a short video clip on how to come up with a UTM coordinate. So I have a 1 in 24,000 scale map in front of us. We're going to use this point here to try to come up with our UTM coordinate for this peak 13204. So the first thing I need to do is come up with the partial UTM coordinates. You can see on this map we have the UTM coordinates. Here's the easting on the bottom and on the top margins of the map, and then we have the northing UTM coordinates along the side margins of the map, and then there's the corresponding grid lines that go across the map. So the first thing I want to do is just identify this box here, this 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer box, where the point is that I'm trying to identify. So here's my box. Now I need to find out the easting number of this box. I'm going to use the smaller number here. So here's 425, here's 426, and here's 427. Well, only these two lines are within my box with my point, so I'm going to use this smaller number here, 426 east. Now let's do the same thing for the northing. Here's my box. I'm going to come over here. We've got 4386 north and 4387 north. I'm going to use the smaller number once again. So my partial UTM coordinate that would identify that I'm in somewhere in this 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer zone would be 426 east by 4386 north. Now to get more detailed than that, to come up with our exact position, I can use a UTM overlay. So I'm just going to put this right on top, align my 124,000 UTM grid so it fits in the 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer UTM grid. And now I'm going to get more precise. So I'm starting at that lower reference line over here, the 426. And now how many meters east in this zone am I? Well, it looks like our point here is in the 600 column. I'm going to call that about 650. So we are 426, 650 meters east. Let's do our northing. Once again, we're at 4386 north. And then how far up? Looks like just over 800 meters. We'll call that 825. So my full UTM position for this would be 426, 650 meters east. The northing 4386, 825 meters north. That is using map datum NAD 27 and zone 13S in the UTM grid system. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.